Now go.
Hello Garden Railroad enthusiasts. My name's Todd and I'm going to show you how I clean wheels on engines. Now in the October issue of Garden Railways, Kevin Strong showed us how to clean the track, and I totally agree with him. I use a Scotch-Brite pad on a drywall pole sander and that works very well. But another section is like you got to clean the wheels on your engines. And this is how I do it. I use a paper towel, I use rubbing alcohol, spray it on the towel, put the engine right on there, one truck at a time, give it some juice, and you can see all the dirt that just came off there. So you just set it up on the other side, do the same process, and off you go. You're good to go. Thanks for watching.